There he is. Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little bit since we did a Disney vlog, and that's exactly what we wanted to do today for everyone. Today we're going to Animal Kingdom to visit Gorilla Falls and kind of just show you a little bit of, not so much a walkthrough, but just some highlights of what is Gorilla Falls here at Animal Kingdom. It's kind of nestled in the back of Africa. I think it's one of the underrated parts of the park, especially for the young ones. And that's what I tend to focus on, is what the toddlers and even the younger crowd likes to do here, and what's fun for them. So join us as we head off to Gorilla Falls. Open to 5:45 p.m. today. So I got Gorilla Valley Research Center. Where are we at? We're here. Every good map has that. You see these a lot on the Kilimanjaro Safari.
Wait, these are real?
Yeah, these are the termite hills.
Wait, these are really?
Yeah, they're... So Disney's made a replica of one that you would find out in the wild, and this would be, yes. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, you wouldn't want to sit on one.
No, I don't think you'd want to sit on one. So, Forest City and Underground Garden. Home to millions of termites. I'm glad it's kind of not real. Pretty active today, D. See him over there? Oh, there's another one over here. Oh, they do have long tails, don't they? Back to this one. That is a long tail. There's one right down here. Let's see if you can see him. He's right there. Said they're out today. They're feisty today. A little better look. Oh boy, you see signs like this. Are we still at Disney?
Oh man.
Disney even themes the footprints of certain animals into the walkways. Looks like we're at the research center now, D. You can go inside? Let's go. Here's what we all came for. Baby naked mole rats. Let's see if we can get a good shot. Let's see if I can get them on it.
I don't know that.
Oh, there's a lot of them in there. There's a couple better kind of little tunnels coming up. Oh, there he is, there he is.
I think they're blind.
Just help me. There he goes. He's backing down backwards. Seems to be quite the popular exhibit.
Oh, got it.
Here's a really... Show you guys a little better. Pancake tortoise. And they look kind of like pancakes. They're flat like pancakes anyway.
Aww. I'm so old about these naked mole rats.
Boa constrictor in this one, D. Do you see him?
Oh, I see him, I see him.
Where is he? Oh, there he is.
Hiding.
Really hard to see back in there.
Oh, yeah.
There he is. He's way back there. So due to the pandemic, Disney has you scanning the QR code for the bird section of the attraction of the Gorilla Falls. You have to scan the QR code to get what you used to get is a card with all the different birds on it. So we scanned the QR code. Golden weavers. There they are. They're running from us now that we know what they are. They are the golden weavers. Look like a hammer cup. Two of them down here hanging out. Just notice this. The Nile perch can grow up to 4 feet long and weigh up to 200 pounds. I'm not interested in that. Let's see what we can find over here. Now that the attraction has kind of died down a little bit, we can kind of hang out. Let's see what we got. They do not have a QR code for the fish, though. Found a couple more golden weavers and their nest that they make. Pretty cool. They come from the underside when they actually get in them. Pretty cool. I've never seen that. There he is.
That is bouncing. Like, hello guys.
So there is no other hippos. Black vultures.
Like, I can't see you because I can only see one.
He's looking at you, dude.
We're on the end, we'll head out into the valley. Another stock gorilla.
They look like very young gorillas, don't they? You want to head out into the valley? Let's head out to the valley. Let's give somebody else a turn. Excuse us. You can see hiding in the back.
We've got our photos left, actually.
Making our way down into the Gorilla Falls Valley. I'll say it all the time, but always impressed with the theming that Disney does. So the stream here that Disney's created as a part of the theming creates just a boundary between us and them, basically. I don't see them here. This is the Gorilla Falls Valley.
No, there was one.
There was. I no longer see him. You think he's hiding?
Yeah, I really don't like to be around people.
No. So here is the exit for Gorilla Falls. Let's go out. Well, we hope you enjoyed. All right, everyone. So that ends today's video of Gorilla Falls. I had a lot of fun exploring. I know what started all this was Deirdre asking to go see the naked mole rats. That's her favorite part of it.
The naked mole rats do not have fur like other moles, but they are pretty cute when they're babies, and they look like they're an old man, but they're babies.
Yeah?
Like, 'cause they have wrinkles like on here at the back side of their legs.
They are cute. I mean, I think they're cute. Okay, I'll confess it.
Yeah, they are cute.
All right.
And I have a challenge for all of you who's watching the video. I want to know who thinks naked mole rats are adorable after they watch the video, okay? Leave it in the comments below. Okay?
Leave it a like. All the likes show you love naked baby mole rats. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
I like that idea. That's good. That's all her. So, let's see. But, you know, the gorillas are the main attraction, and we got to see them. It's one of the best experiences we've had with the gorillas. I mean, there was three or four?
Yeah, there's even a 6-year-old one up on the mountain.
Yep, that's what the cast members said. The one in the back far The one in the back was 6 years old. So we're going to wrap up today's video. We hope you enjoyed it as always.
And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget.
And if you liked the video, leave us a like, share it with your friends, and
don't forget the challenge.
Don't forget these challenge.
Don't.
And as always, stay healthy, stay safe.
Remember, smile, it's free.